Hey, it's me. Here we are, Thursday, um, April 2nd. You survived April Fool's Day. I can't wait to hear the things you pulled on your parents. We are going to do a quick review of number stories. So you need your journals today. And you can go ahead and open up that journal to page 225. And remember, anytime you need more time, go ahead and hit pause and take as much time as you need. That's the joy of this. So I'm going to go into presentation mode while you're getting those journals out. And again, page 225. All right, so here we go. We're on page 225. And again, we're doing some problem solving. Now, just a reminder, take things slow. We'll do it slow together. We're in no hurry. So for problems 4 and 5, we're going to use the pictures to help us solve these questions. So here it looks like we have beaker A. And if you look at the line, you can see that the line goes up to the 500. And we have beaker B. And if you follow the blue, you can see that beaker B is between 600 and 700. So I wonder, what is between 600 and 700? Rory? Yes, you got it, 650. So let's see what our question asks. How much more liquid is in beaker B than beaker A? So beaker B, we said, had 650 milliliters, and beaker B had 500. And I'm using my laptop, so it is really hard to write these numbers. We're going to subtract them, but yes, that's a 5. So 0 minus 0, of course, is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. And 6 minus 5 is 1. Yes, look at that beautiful third grade handwriting. Okay, so if we go ahead and move it over, then we know that there is 150 milliliters more in beaker 1. So you can just go ahead and copy that number right over there. And I won't write it again, and I'll spare you the horrible penmanship. Well, that one was easy. I have a feeling this next one might not be as easy. So again, if I'm going too fast, just hit pause. Okay, and then you can come back to it or look at it again. All right, so Thomas wants to figure out the liquid volume of his glass. He fills a beaker. So remember, a beaker, it looks just kind of like this, what I showed you on Monday, to 50 milliliters. Now, if we look at this beaker, we can see that this beaker is 1,000 milliliters. So if he's filling a beaker to 50 milliliters, look at how teeny tiny that beaker is going to be. You know, it's half. It's half of that 100. So he's filling this beaker with water, and he empties it into a glass 4 times. So he does this 4 times. I can't write the 4 there. Okay. So let's see this here. He's doing this 4 times. So this was 50 milliliters. And if he does it 4 times, so we would want to take 4, maybe I can write over here. There we go. 4 times 50. I'm so sorry. Okay. So what is 4 times 50, Jack? What was that? I can't hear you, Jack. Speak up. What? Oh, yes, you got it, Jack. It is 200. Oh, my goodness. Mrs. Martin, this is ridiculous. So his glass is now full of water. So he put 200 milliliters in his glass. Then Thomas emptied his glass into this beaker. Shade the beaker to show how much water is in his glass. So we know his glass holds 200 milliliters. And you can use your pencil or a crayon or whatever you want And then we're going to show everyone that his beaker then would be that full. So you can color in maybe. So, Mrs. Martin. Ah! Yeah, I'm not used to this one. Okay, so we're going to color in that 200 millimeter piece. I bet y'all miss me so much, right? Yeah. Okay. So there, we did 2 problems, a lot like we did yesterday. If we recap, we can just tell ourselves to go slow and not worry about your penmanship because Mrs. Martin's isn't very good either. So, all right, on to math boxes. So while I switch us out to math boxes, you can turn the page to page 226. So let's take a peek at what our math boxes entail today. So number 1, you're looking to find the area. And again, area is the inside. You can use doubling, you can break apart, you can use a number model, whatever you need to do to find area on number 1. Number 2, what fraction of the whole pizza has been eaten? I really like to fill that pizza in so it looks a little bit easier to understand. So that's what that pizza would look like. And what fraction of the whole pizza is left? Remember, you ate the white part and the blue part is left. Moving on to number 3, a problem-solving question with a diagram. There are 9 books on each shelf, and there are 72 books in all. How many shelves are there? Go ahead, fill in that number grid with a diagram. What letter is going to represent your shelves? You can show me your number model and again, your answer. Partition the rectangle to show 11 broken into 10 and 1. So they're asking you to break that rectangle into 10 and 1. So what? That was supposed to highlight, not disappear. So what would that look like down here if we broke that into 10 and 1? What would your 2 number models be? And when you add those up, what do you get? 6 times 11. Use words, numbers, or drawings to show how you found the area in problem number 1. So you're going to go back up and tell me what strategy did you use to find the area in problem 1. All right, I'm going to stop presenting here. Meet back with you. So a couple things we learned: that Mrs. Martin has horrible handwriting on her laptop. I hope that you all are doing well. As always, I miss you. Enjoy your family time. You're going to look back on this someday and remember all the things that you're doing together. Don't get into trouble. Listen to your parents. Clean your bedroom. Yeah, and then just enjoy this time with your friends and family. Do some hangouts. We'll hang out today at 1 o'clock if you're around, so can't wait to see you all. And tomorrow I'll be reading some Chicks and Salsa to you, so make sure you log into the YouTube channel and see if you can find that, and feel free to AR test. Don't forget to keep AR testing. All right, my friends, love you all, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.